know, that's one thing that I can always say about the Informa group. They do a great job organizing the conference and bringing the right people to the table.
We're meeting other ship owners, we're meeting manufacturers, we're meeting people, scientists, so a vast array of people that are involved in the whole thing.
We as ship owners have a chance to meet the regulatory authorities, we have a chance to meet the vendors, and we have a chance to get together and talk amongst ourselves.
The event had a very high calibre of attendees, and so it was worth it for us to sponsor this event and come along, and we've participated in the conference, so we came here to sell, but we also came here to learn.
I would say, again, this is the highest quality. If you only have one event to go to in a year, I would definitely recommend this one.
For me as a ship owner, it's nice to come here and to get updated on things, because some things we miss out on when we just sit at home and read the news mails from all the different organizations. So here it's good to come and get an update and get a view from some of the experts.
Definitely a lot of information that can be gathered at these events, so come along.